This is the box plot that I developed the last step of the previous video. And let's say I don't like this background, right? This background is gray and I feel it's distracting me. If I scroll up, you're gonna see for having a better background, there is another layer. This layer is called Theme Classic. Let's use this layer and see what's gonna happen to this plot background. P1, P2, and P3, if you can remember, they are abbreviations for the data set and the column, what type of visual I want to get, and what should be the name of X and Y axis. I want to add one more layer, and in that one more layer, I want to tell R the theme should be classic. I'm going to say theme should be classic. Let's run the code and see the result. And you see, I believe this presentation is much better. There is no distraction. I don't need that unnecessary gray colors in the background. I like this presentation. After that, let's say, we have also one layer for changing the location of the legends. By default, the legends are in the right-hand side, and there's another layer which is called legend position, theme legend position. I can put them on the top, on the right, left, and wherever I want. Let's see how it works. Another layer is theme legend legend position, and let's do it top. Oh, should be inside the quotations. Yeah, I forgot to put it inside the quotations, and that's why we get that error. And you see the legends from the right hand side I transfer to the top of the figure, and I believe this is a much better presentation. We can explore other positions as well. Let's say what's going to happen if I put the legends to the left hand side, and so left, right, putting the legends in the bottom of the figure is really unusual. But I can also use an argument, the argument of none, in case I do not want to have any legends. It does not make sense to have no legends sometimes, but sometimes it is appropriate. For example, let me record what was my legends. If I put the argument of position of the legends at the top, you're gonna see I have different cuts which can be fair, good, very good, premium, and so on, right? The point is, I have this fair, good, and so on, both in the legends and in the y-axis. So maybe in this specific case, I really do not need to have them because I'm spending some space for repeating something which is kind of clear in the y-axis. So maybe I want to say I don't want to have any legends. None means there should be no legend. If I run the code and check the result, I see the legends are disappeared, and this is what I want. Similar to what we did previously, instead of putting these new layers, whatever comes with brackets is a new layer. I can give them different names. For example, I can say P4 is this legend classic. The type of legend gonna go to the P4, and the theme, which is about the legend, gonna come to P5. Okay, so let's start from adding P1 and P2 and P3 together, which are for the column and the data set. the type of the geometry, which is box plot, and the lab's name, right? This is what I have with this gray background. I can get rid of the background by adding a new layer, which is P4. That's good. Plus, let's say, let me change this because I want, yeah, sorry, that's fine. And I have the legends over here, and I want to get rid of them. I'm going to add P5, run the code, and you see there is no legend anymore. And I'm happy with this presentation. The good thing with this type of, it's very tidy. I really like this because it's very tidy. And the good thing is, if I want to change anything, it's very easy to find, and application is very, 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 very straightforward. For example, I want to change the title. The title right now is the the price of diamonds versus cut. Maybe I want to say it's not a good title. I want my title to be price versus cut. Okay, it's easy. Run all of the chunk, everything, and that's good. This is what I need. I wanna have the legends. I'm gonna find the argument for changing the legends. I'm gonna say put it in the top. I'm gonna run everything. Again, it's gonna appear. It's very flexible, and I really like it.